Hello everyone, welcome to Prabha on Wheels English. Today I am going to make Oreo cake with the Oreo biscuits. So before that, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the notification bell. So I have taken 4 small packets of Oreo biscuits because this packets is only available in the shop. So I have taken the small packets. If two big packets available for you means you can take big packets also, it's not a big deal. So I have taken 4 small packets, that is 10 rupees packet each. Now I am going to add all these biscuits into a mixie jar because I am going to grind it into a fine powder. So after powdering the biscuits into a fine powder, then we can make it as a cake batter. So now I have our little boy helping me in this process. Look there, he is opening all the biscuit packet and helping me to add it to the mixie jar. So we are going to break these biscuits into small pieces so that we can grind it in a very short time. So you can add it like that also. If you break it into tiny pieces, then it will be pretty easy to grind and the grinding time will be very less. So look there, our little boy is helping. He's breaking all the biscuit. He's so excited to see how I'm going to prepare the cake with the biscuits. So he's quite excited and very much interested in breaking the biscuits. And he says that he's getting a very nice aroma while breaking the biscuit also. So he's quite excited to taste the cake. So look there how he's breaking all the biscuits. So once we break all the biscuits, then we are going to grind it into a fine powder. And after making the powder, we are going to mix it with milk. We are going to add some milk along with this. And we are going to make a homemade butter paper today. I'll show you how we are going to do it also. So look there, he's still breaking all the biscuits. Now we are going to grind this biscuits into a fine powder. So look at this. So let's open. Yes, pretty tough to open it. Yeah, tan-ta-dang, look at this. Now we have ground the biscuits into fine powder. I'll show you. See, look at this. Now the biscuit turned into a fine powder. See, our little boys also want to taste it whether it has turned into a fine powder or not. So after that we are going to add some milk to this. So don't add too much milk, it will become very watery. So add little milk and then grind again. If you feel the batter is very thick, then you can add little more, else little amount of milk is enough for this. So we are going to grind again. So look this, today I don't have any baking tray or baking plate. I'm just going to use the steel tiffin box of mine. I'm adding some oil in this and our little boy is greasing the tiffin box with oil, and we have cut the A4 sheet into a nice circle. And after greasing the plate with oil, we are keeping the A4 sheet inside the tiffin box, and again we are going to add 2 to 3 drops of oil and going to grease it very nicely. Then our butter paper is ready. This is our homemade butter paper. And after keeping the butter paper, we added this cake batter that we have already ground with the biscuits and milk. After adding the cake batter, you have to tap once or twice so that it will release air bubbles. So today I like to have some chopped almonds for garnishing. I'm using chopped almonds for garnishing this because I love nuts. So this is quite optional only. If you like, you can add. Otherwise, you need not add almonds. But I love almonds, so I'm adding the chopped almonds on the top. Actually, the cake batter is less, you might think. Yes, of course, because while grinding, unfortunately, the lid got open of the mixer and it spilled all over me and my head. I had taken a chocolate bath. So look at that, I have garnished it well. So now I am going to bake it in a idli cooker. So look here, in this I have turned up upside down. I have turned the plate into upside down, the idli plate, and then on the top of the idli plate I am keeping this cake batter. Now we are going to cook it on a low flame for 30 to 45 minutes. Then our cake will be ready. So look there, our cake is ready. How beautiful, no? See, our little boy has upside down the cake. He turned off the cake. Now he is going to remove the homemade butter paper. Look at that, how nicely it comes off from the cake. Wow, it's very nice, very nice. Wow, even our cake is also very nice. Look at there. Wow, it's so beautiful and it come off very good. I just love it. And our little boy is going to cut the cake and we are going to taste it. So look there, our little Goni is cutting the cake. Wow, see how fluffy. As I told you, no, already most of the batter got spilled over me. That's the reason our cake is very small, but the cake has come up very well. I just loved it. If you all also like this, just give a thumbs up and don't forget like, share and comment.